Hello guys, welcome back to wig day. I'm gonna do all things wigs, but first I'm wearing this track jacket, these tracksuit pants, and of course my favorite little Aim Leon doll clogs. And yeah guys, it's wig day, so I'm gonna do all the wigs. And okay, so I've never even really filmed with this camera before, so I don't know what the angle is, but I feel like I haven't done like a talk in weeks, so let's really catch up to what's been happening. So right now it's Saturday 22nd of June. I finished the contract August 24th, so I've literally got 2 months to go. So that's literally like 8 cruises or something, so it's really on the final end of the life of the cruise. So I'm really like, yeah, living life. Last week my family came on board, which was the week right out of dry dock. So I don't know what this angle is, but yeah, so my parents have been here. They're here for another week, so I'm loving hanging out with them and my auntie and grandmother. It's been really fun. But last week we had the worst weather of all time. So literally like it was rainy, humid, cloudy the whole week. So they chose like a bad week to come, but like I'm glad they came now because dry dock was obviously so crazy. I was over it. Yeah, it's been spending so much time with them. The shows went great, even though it's been like a long time since we did it. But my current obsessions right now, Perfect Match. I'm about to watch the finale after I finish the wigs here right now. I'm so excited. Everyone probably knows like Harry Jowsey's just doing it all for camera. I don't think it's that crazy. Like I don't think he's a bad person. He just knows what he has to do to be on camera. And what else is recent? I love Brat right now. Of course, the remix with Lorde, Girl So Confusing. Hands down love. But yeah, guys, that's like my update right now. There's not really much to discuss, but I'm glad I had some fam time, even though I'm here right now doing like the craziest things to these wigs. Last week we did like a little excursion to like the ancient Mayan ruins. I just wanted to do like a short video. I didn't want to do like a full week in the life because I was literally just spending time with my family. Didn't really film anything except for that day. And I wanted to try something new, but also do something quick. This week, don't know what I'm gonna do, so we'll find out together throughout this video.
It's gonna fix your eyebrows. You're making it look good. It smells. You can't take it off unless somebody goes next. Go, Gwen. Quick.